Hello everyone, I am Jashandeep Singh from International Maritime Institute, Greater Noida. Along with my 7 members team, would like to present my project MV Saptarishi, which is diesel hydrogen propelled ship. By making this project, we have gained knowledge in various fields such as hydraulics, electrical engineering and shipbuilding. Now let's begin with the virtual tour of our ship MV Saptarishi.
This ship that you can see here, it is a hydraulic propelled ship. It has got a 4-stroke IC engine which drives a hydraulic pump. The pump takes suction hydraulic fluid from a hydraulic tank and it delivers to a double acting ram and a hydraulic motor through a control valve.
We have a 3x2 double spool directional control valve which is connected to a hydraulic motor which propels the shaft, and another connection is to a hydraulic ram which controls the rudder of the ship.
So let's start with our internal parts of the ship. This is our 4-stroke 2-cylinder diesel engine which is coupled to the vane type pump via single disc dry clutch. The pump has got 2 connections, one suction and another discharge. The suction is from the hydraulic tank and discharge is to the control valve. The discharge is fitted with the bypass line in which relief valve is fitted to release the excess pressure in case of excess pressurization. We have got continuous control arrangement for the RPM of the shaft, and we have also provided single disc dry clutch arrangement for in case if we don't have to propel our ship, we can easily disengage our hydraulic system from the engine.
Now I would like to explain you about how the hydraulic motor is connected with the propeller shaft. So here it is the hydraulic motor which is coupled with the propeller shaft with the help of spider coupling. In the propeller shaft we are provided with the stern tube sealing arrangement. In the stern tube the sealing which is provided is with the help of Teflon bar. Inside the Teflon bar there are 4 oil seals. 2 oil seals are in the aft and 2 oil seals are in the forward. The aft seals will prevent the water ingress into the vessel and the forward seals will prevent the oil to spill out into the vessel. There is a inlet connection over here for the oil which will lubricate the bearing as well as cool the bearing. This is a benzo bolt which is provided over here for the breathing purpose of the oil. In case the temperature goes high, the oil will expand. With the gradual movement of the lever in the spool valve, it will control the movement of the rudder as well as the RPM of the propeller. That it is provided with the proportional control.
This is the lighting element of our ship. The starboard side we have a beam, the port side we have a rack as per the Colbrec Annex 1 convention, and this is the forward operated by compressed air. And now coming to the mainmast of our ship, in which we hoist the flag of a flag state of our ship. Merits of a hydraulic propulsion arrangement over the conventional engine arrangement of this are: first is we are done away with most of the lubrication problems associated with the longer shafting arrangement, and which in turn increase the cargo carrying capacity of our ship. Second is the reversing can be performed just by controlling the flow via directional control valve.
In conclusion, we would like to say that this project is a proof of our hard work, our ambition and our passion. We hope that our future would be just as bright as the 7-star system, the Saptarishi. We thank you for watching this video and we hope to see you at International Maritime Institute, Greater Noida soon.